26 inches, not bad. Two casts and two nice fish. The last was 26. Ooh, he come off. That's all right. He was probably 23 or so. Oh my gosh, they're loaded over there. That's 3 casts, 3 fish. But, oh, he come off too. Oh, there he is. These are all nice fish too. Okay, that's the smallest one. Still a fish. Just gonna leave the, he's probably 18 or so. He's the smallest one of the 4. There he is. Something bit him on the top of the back. You see right here on his back where something. Oh. But man, they're every single cast. Cast over there. Don't catch them like that out here that often, where they're biting every cast. They're stacked up in there. This one's a little nicer, maybe, I don't know. Well, he's not taking any drag, so. But he's still nicer than the last one, I'm pretty sure. This will wear you out fairly quickly. Actually, he is a little nicer than the last one. I'm gonna pick him up. Oh man, he's a nice one. In the boat. That boat sitting over there watching me. He saw me catch that last fish, so I'm not going to throw back over there at the moment where the fish are. I'm going to give him a chance to leave. Oh my gosh. Oh, he's taking the drag. Big one. There he is. Man, he's 24 on the money. All these are about 22 to 26. There he is. There he is again. Oh goodness, he's making a splash. I think this might be at least as big as that 26. No, I don't know. He's a nice one though. He's fighting a little harder than the other one. All right, let's see if we can pick him in a boat. All right, people. See what this one is. He's a nice one. I mean, he might be the biggest yet. 28. Woo. Be nice to keep a few of those, wouldn't it? Season starts in, I think it's May 15th or 16th, and this is May 1st. There he is. Oh my goodness. He's a good 22. Oh, probably gonna need to check to retie my line. Oh. All right, what'd I say, 22, and he's 22 on the money. Oh. Ooh, I didn't miss that one. That's all right though. He's a striper and he's barely hooked. Might be those small ones that I'm missing out there. Oh, it's still every cast. I mean, pretty much 8 out of 10 casts I'm catching a fish. Well, I'll reel them in anyway. How's that? Barely hooked as well. There's another one out there. The reason I stopped here was I saw one bird, and then I saw actually a couple of birds come down. One of them got a bait fish, and they're gone. So just because you don't see a lot of birds doesn't mean there's not a lot of fish there. And he's, you know, probably 16 and going to the back of the boat. Yeah, he's a better fish than the last one. Smaller ones put up a better fight. But they're not as heavy to pull in the boat. And when I say smaller, he's probably 19, which would be a keeper during season. All right, well, we'll measure him. I'm just curious. This is probably 19. Let's see. Look, right on the money, 19. I'll tell you what, Tim don't have a thing on me when it comes to measuring fish. I got one right here, behind the boat this time. I was wrong, he's bigger than 19. He is 22 and a half. All right. Sometimes I'm off. These are bigger fish than I was catching last year. Oh, he's at the back of the boat. There he is. Woo. All right. Tell you what, they're all about the same. That one's 22 on the money. Most of them's been between 22 and 26 and caught the 128. And some smaller, but I'm gonna call my buddy who normally comes with me a lot, Tim, or Dan does too. And I asked both of them to come. Hey, Tim.
Looks like killing them out there.
Hey, I'm just taking a break. I was catching them every cast when I first pulled up here.
Where at?
I can't tell you where I'm at.
Oh, okay.
But,
oh my God, man.
anyway, I thought I'd call you. I thought I'd call you when and rub it in.
Damn, I appreciate it, man.
You bet.
Talk to you later.
All right, talk to you later.